Everyone, today I'm going to show you um, how to upgrade your computer's Windows 7, Windows 8, and 8.1 to Windows 10 for free. Um, many of you guys know, Windows 7 is not supported by Microsoft anymore. What does that mean is that they will not send out any security updates or any updates that will protect your computer. You will not get it anymore. So if you don't change it to Windows 10, your computer is vulnerable to virus or malware. Okay, so if it's free, might as well upgrade to Windows 10. So I'm going to show you how to do it. First, you open Chrome, and up here type www.microsoft.com software download. Okay, so for download Windows 10. Okay, so I will copy this link on below my video, so you can just click and go straight to it. So we're not doing the updates, but we're gonna go create Windows 10 installation media. Okay, so we're gonna click here, download tools now. Okay, so there's two ways of doing it. If you're downloading onto this computer and this computers have Windows 7, you could run it from here. But if you're going to download and put it onto another computer that you want to install Windows 10 or upgrade Windows 10, you can use a flash drive, and I will have another video to show you how to do that too. So now that you're here, let's complete it. Let's double click on this. Okay, so okay, so then this will come up. Just accept. Okay, so then you will get this one. You have two options to upgrade your computer. Either just if you're going to do it on this computer, it says upgrade this computer now or this PC now, or you have the option to create an installation media, which is USB, flash drive, or a DVD, or an ISO files. It's up to you for another computer. But since my computer already have Windows 10, I will not run this. Okay, but once you click on, if you're going to put on the same computer, just click on this, click next, next, next. Um, it will have some other options for you, if you want to wipe everything cleaned, or you want it to, keep everything. Okay, so yeah, so this is how you download and upgrade to Windows 10 for free. Might as well take advantage of it right now that it's free. Um, and I will just follow up on the next video. I will show you how to install Windows 10 using a USB or a flash drive. Okay, thank you.